The first ever breadboard was patented 45 years ago and hasn't changed much since. That was until the makers at STEMTera asked what would happen if you combined an Arduino UNO and a breadboard. They came up with STEMTera, a breadboard with an Arduino-compatible microcontroller embedded inside. This breadboard is designed to offer full microcontroller functionality, easy plug-and-play experimentation, and is compatible with thousands of shields designed for the Arduino UNO. The built-in electronic elements eliminate messy wires. The STEMTera features dual microcontrollers, LEGO-compatible bottom cover, USB native development, embedded LED, multiple IDE support, and a strong enclosure. The LEGO-compatible bottom cover enables LEGO bricks to be connected directly into the STEMTera breadboard, empowering users to build exciting and playful projects. In this example, I've designed a LEGO's nightlight. Inside the main structure is my wired STEMTera board and Firefly LEDs. A photocell sits outside the structure. When the lights are low, the photocell triggers the Firefly LEDs, offering a warm, white light.